Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rajni Classes. As all of you know that today is the World Migratory Bird Day. World Migratory Bird Day, and the theme of this year's Migratory Bird Day is the Birds Connect Our World. On Saturday, today 9th May 2020, people around the world are celebrating World Migration Bird Day, and this is a global campaign dedicated to raising awareness of migratory birds and the need for international campaign to conserve them. This year, the theme of World Migratory Bird Day is Birds Connect Our World, and was chosen to highlight the importance of conserving and restoring the ecological connectivity and integrity of ecosystems that are essential for survival and well-being of migratory birds. World Migratory Bird Day was celebrated in 2006 and is an annual awareness raising campaign till date. The day is celebrated biannually on the second Saturday in the May and October. So in this year, this bird day are celebrated in 9th May as well as on 10th October. And what is the aim of this migratory bird day celebration? The aim of this day is to raising campaign highlighting the need for the conservation of migratory birds and their habitats. Its aim also to draw attention to the threats faced by migratory birds, their ecological importance, and the need for international cooperation to conserve them. Previous year, its theme was to protect birds, be the solution to plastic pollution. So let's take a look at World Migratory Bird Day 2020. Why migratory bird? The question arises in our mind. Migratory birds have the perfect morphology and physiology to fly fast and across long distances. Often their journey is an exhausting one during which they go to their limit. And one interesting fact is that the red knot has one of the longest total migration route of any bird, traveling up to 1600 km twice a year. It breeds in Siberia and overwinter on the west coast of Africa, and some even going down to the tip of South Africa. Why it need production? Why migratory bird need production? Why it losses its we are losing our migratory birds? Flying long distances involve crossing many borders between countries with different environmental policies, legislation and conservation measures. So it is evident that international cooperation among governments, NGOs and other stakeholders is required along the entire flyway of species in order to share knowledge and to coordinate conservation efforts. The legal framework and coordinating instruments necessary for such cooperation is provided by multilateral environmental agreements such as CMS and AEWA. So World Migration Day has a global outreach and is an effective tool to help raise global awareness of the threat faced by the migratory bird, their ecological importance and the need for international cooperation to conserve them. Look about brief history of migratory bird. World Migratory Day was initially celebrated in 2003 by the Secretariat of the Agreement on the Conservation of African Eurasian Migratory Waterbirds in collaboration with the Secretariat of the Convention on the Conservation of Migratory Species of Wild Animals. This year, the theme of World Migratory Bird Day is the Bird Connect Our World and was chosen to highlight the importance of conserving and restoring the ecological connectivity and integrity of ecosystem that are essential for the survival and well-being of migratory bird. 2018 was marked on important transition year in the history of World Migratory Bird Day. It successfully unified the planet's major migratory bird routes or flyways. the African Eurasian Flyway, the East Asian Australian Flyway, and the American Flyways. The theme of last year was to protect world with the solution to plastic pollution. So this migratory day, World Migratory Bird Day celebration is of aim is to make people aware about the threat on migratory bird and to conserve the habitat of the migratory bird as well as their route of the migratory bird. So for awareness about the migratory bird, for protection about the migratory bird, every year people around the world take a stand for these life forms and organize public events such as bird festivals, education programs, and bird watching events to celebrate World Migratory Bird Day. But this year, due to COVID-19 pandemic outbreak, activity is not possible, outdoor activity is not possible. So we are doing discussion and awareness on digital platform. So hopefully this will useful for you on the occasion of World Migratory Bird Day. So thank you. Kindly like and subscribe my channel if you like this video on World Migratory Bird Day. Okay, thank you.